How to add money to KOHO card. Follow the instructions. Open the KOHO app on your mobile device and log into your account using your registered credentials. On the home screen, tap the Add Funds button or similar option to start the money loading process. Choose your preferred funding method, such as bank transfer, e-transfer, or linking an external account. If linking a bank account, follow prompts to connect and verify it with your KOHO profile for transfers. Enter the amount of money you want to add, ensuring it meets KOHO's minimum and maximum load limits. Review all transaction details, including amount, source account, and applicable fees before continuing. Confirm and authorize the transaction using your app's required security or authentication process. Wait for the transaction to process. Funds usually appear instantly or within a few business days. Thank you for watching.